If you're interested in this pre-built Shopify hair store, it will be linked in the description. It is a dropshipping store. We will sync the hair for you straight from the vendor. So if you're interested in starting your own hair business with no inventory, click the link in the description for more information. This is one of our new pre-built Shopify hair stores. Link in the description. And after you buy a pre-built hair store from me, I will text you confirming your store name, like your domain. So be sure to have a domain name already ready. If not, we'll be sure that you don't already have a Shopify store, because if you already have a Shopify store, we can still work on your store and we can upload our templates. So after purchase, we do text you just to confirm and to be sure. So that way we don't, make a Shopify store if you already have one. And since we do make dropshipping stores, of course, we will sync the vendor for you. Comes up to 20 items synced, over like 100,000 inventory in stock from the vendor. So yes, you do not hold the inventory. You don't have to buy the inventory. The vendor will ship the items out for you, and we will sync each item for you when you get a pre-built Shopify hair store from us. So that also means that, of course, you get the fully designed website template that you've seen in the beginning, designed by me on Shopify. So, of course, we will design that for you, put that on the website, and then sync the vendor as well. So it does come fully designed with a template logo, the pictures, and everything that you see on the website. And we do include a sample bundle. It will be the usually the shortest inch, but we will send a sample bundle just in case you want to see the quality of the hair. But you should also always order more samples so you can create content with your own content samples for yourself, for your business. So you can, maybe take your own product photos, maybe brand it a little bit more, make it a little bit different, but you should always order samples yourself as well. But we will include one free sample. Now, we do also have done for you hair videos, which is included. You can use for your own content. This is a style wig. Obviously, it does not come like this. You have to style it yourself. My cousin, she's a licensed cosmetologist, and she styled this wig for me. I sent it to her and she styled it. So if you want to get your wig styled, you can also click the link in the description. I usually link her website as well. But yeah, these are done for you hair videos that will be included. So we will even throw in a 30-day hair content plan. Pretty much you can use this for social media. A lot of people ask, do you help with marketing? And we actually do. We include this 30-day hair content plan in the done for you hair videos. We don't market for you, but we do give you what you need to market, if you understand what I'm saying. If you do exactly what we say, put in the work, don't give up, I promise, at some point you should make a sale. You have to put in the work. You can't just buy the store and hope to make a sale, especially if you're not promoting. And then also we do include a step-by-step guide called the Learn Your Store Guide. Please read this after we send you your store. Very important. A lot of people ask a lot of questions after they buy their store, which is okay. But this guide is pretty much like a step-by-step of what you should do after you get the store from us, after you receive it. And pretty much it's called the Learn Your Store Guide, just so you can learn how to run your store. And this is some more of our done for you hair videos that we did record ourselves. We will have some more loaded to the content pack. Right now, I believe it's only like 6 or 7 loaded. We hope to have 14, eventually 100. We need more, we need models actually. So we're still working on that, but you do get access to that. And then if you have any more questions, chat with me on my website. I will answer any questions. I do have instant chat. Let me know any questions you guys have down below, and link in the description for more information for the pre-built Shopify hair stores. Thanks for watching. Bye.